god, look at this dude. Alright guys, so I got a lamb gyro. This guy got a chicken on pita, aka a chicken gyro. And what was your code?
The combo.
Oh yeah, he just got a combo. Can I taste yours? Nigga don't want to do it for the clip of him feeding me. Can you record him feeding me real quick?
For no reason, cause
Yeah, I did it for the clip. Gotta get everything you see. Get the rice too.
big head came in the way. How your tail? Fat already made a mess. What you talking about?
They're all good. I never opened mine yet. Oh, for the drink, I got this thing called Kinsa Orange. It's from Saudi Arabia. Well, it said Saudi made, so I'm not sure if it's Saudi Arabia or just somewhere in Saudi.
You know what you gave it for? Okay. Do you want
Yeah. It's basically gonna taste like that, but I could just imagine a chicken instead of a lamb. Alright. Chicken gyro. Get some cinematics of the road, I guess.
This just tastes like Fanta.
Oh, what, the Kinza, the orange, it tastes like a Fanta?
Yeah, but
Does it taste better or just taste good?
the same.
Oh. What about the crusted soda? Like compared to the crusted soda, the orange?
The same.
No.
Oh, that is.
Right, you say it tastes like a cross or Fanta orange soda. What you give it? It tastes. It doesn't really taste like Fanta or crusted soda to me, but it feels, does taste like a mix though.
Let's look at my side of the screen.
No, duh. You missed the spot.
This is leaf.
Right here, over here. You still missed the spot. For real, you still missed the spot. Look at it right here.
That way down there. Yes.
Damn, Uncle got that man, so he forgot his directions. You just go straight and go up the highway for Maritime, remember? Dimensa is Uncle. I'm about to finish mine from here. It's actually refreshing. I actually like it more than the orange and the crust. Not gonna lie. If you want to read the stats on it, I mean, it's in Arabic, I believe. So yeah, this the stats. If you was wondering. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna head back home. See you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.